Forging. Everything you need to know about processes and benefits. This video takes an in-depth look at forging. You will learn more about topics such as brief history of forging, hot forging and how it works, things to consider when choosing hot forging, the benefits of cold forging or forming, things to consider when choosing cold forging. Forging, a historical overview. Understanding hot forging. Considerations for hot forging. Drawbacks of hot forging. The benefits of cold forging or forming. The unique process of cold forging. Impression die forging. Squeezing. Cold rolling. Drawing. Choosing the right cold forging partner. Leading manufacturers of forging machines. Ajax Seco, Model, Bulldog 200. National Machinery. Model, Formax Plus. Erie Press Systems. Model, Electric Forging Press. Wyman Gordon. Model, Radial Forging Machines. Mitsubishi Heavy Industries America. Model, MF Series Forging Press. Frequently asked questions. What are the main differences between hot and cold forging? What are the main benefits of cold forging for manufacturers? How does hot forging improve the properties of metals? Which industries commonly use modern forging machines in the US and Canada? What should buyers consider when choosing forging equipment? What types of metals are best suited for cold forging? Things to consider when choosing cold forging. Please visit www.iqsdirectory.com to find the right forging manufacturers for your needs.